So what is electric field? So electric field is nothing but, so if we have any charge, so around this charge some field is exist or something is exist. What is that something called? The something is exist around this charge is called electric field. Then when we will notice or experience that something is exist such that it is called as electric field, when we keep another charge, right? So instead of that, I am keeping here unit positive charge. It is of around unit positive charge. I'll keep unit positive charge at certain distance as R. So then I can experience a electric force in between these two charges. So means till here around this charge a field is exist. That field is called E. So that field is called E. Then what is electric field? Electric field is nothing but it is the force experienced by any charge at a certain distance by the other similar charge or other unit charge. So that is force experienced by unit positive charge is called as electric field. Means that as suppose this charge is there present, if I keep here, it experiences a force. Then till here the field is exist. If I keep it here, what happens? It experiences a force, but it experiences what? Less than this force value. Initial force, as less than this initial force, the force will experience till this point. So if I go away from this charge, does the force is exist up to of any certain infinity point? No. Up to of any certain to infinity point, it does not experience. Only up to of certain point, the field is exist. So that we will come to know when we place another charge in that field, then it experienced by the force that is called as electric field. So electric field is nothing but electric force experienced in electric field is nothing but electric force experienced by electric force experienced by a positive charge in a region in a region is called electric field. So now E is equals to, we have written F by Q. Suppose if I consider F equal to EQ, right? F equal to EQ. Here I am considering a charge Q. It is experienced Q naught or Q. It is experienced by a test charge such as a Q naught. So in between that, the distance it is taken as R. Then what is the electric field? What is the electric field value up to till this point? That is given as E is equals to F by Q. F we already know from the Coulomb's law. So this Coulomb's law explained in a before session. So that is Coulomb's law. It is given as 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square, general force formula. But here Q1 Q2, instead of Q1 Q2 we have what? Q and Q naught. So therefore we should write it here as Q and Q naught. So two charges here it is Q and Q naught, and the distance is same R square, and this divided by with what charge? Test charge. Test charge is what? That is Q naught. So E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q naught cancels. We will get Q by R square, right? So what is this called? Electric field of a charge at a distance R from a charge Q. So unit of electric field, SI, unit of electric field is how much? So here we have a formula. E is equals to what we have? F by Q. Already I said now. So unit of force is what? Newton. Unit of charge is Coulomb. So Coulomb it is divided by is that? So Newton per Coulomb. Newton per Coulomb is the SI unit of electric field. Thank you.